an interesting topic. We are gonna learn about sports. Sports simply means games. I'm sure each one of you love it, right? That's right. Guys, it's any type of physical activity that we do inside or outside of house, just like football, tennis, basketball, fishing, and many more. Guys, the first sport that we're gonna learn about is fishing. Fishing is the activity of catching a fish, either for fun or as an exercise. Okay? Look, I caught a fish. Is that nice? It's big. And this is called a fishing hook. Okay, you got it? That's good. Look, I caught you so many beautiful fish. They're nice, but sometimes they smell bad. They don't smell good. This is for you, okay? That's great. Good. Guys, I have a question for you. Do you think fish is healthy? Is it a healthy food? Who can tell me? Yeah, you.
Fish is healthy because fish is have protein and is good for our muscle and is have vitamin D and is good is omega-3 and is good for our eyes.
Guys, I have a question for you. What sport is good for? Who can tell me who is really smart? Let me see. Yes, you.
Sport is good for our body and are gonna be healthy and our brain is gonna be smart and we're gonna have a lot of energy.
Fiona, excellent. That's right. Who else? Let me see. Okay, please don't be a lazy bone. Come on. Yes, you.
Sport is good for your body and make you stronger and be nice and strong.
Thank you, Alda. That was amazing. And now who else? What's sport good for? Who? Yes, you.
Sport make you happy and they make you, if you fat, you make a sport and then you'll be a thin.
Oh, good job. High five. We have another type of sport which is called hide and seek. In hide and seek, the three of you are hiding yourself somewhere secret behind those school supplies. And one of you is looking for them. Okay? You got it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's play. Hi guys, where are you going?
We are going hiking.
Really?
With my friend.
Oh, that's good. Where?
High mountain.
A high mountain where?
In the village.
In a village. That's good. What do you have for hiking?
We have rat, a nice hat and duck. Let's go, my friend.
The lesson objectives of this class are identifying and familiarizing the students with all types of sports and using sports materials outside the classroom here in the stadium so that they can learn effectively and in a fun way. This is the end of our class. The students tried and played different types of sports here in the stadium, and also they really enjoy it. And they've learned a wide range of vocabulary on sports like badminton, football, basketball, fishing, and many more. I believe this would be memorable for them.